I like to use, yeah, you can use half bleach, half, and just carry a bottle around with you. This is ammonia. So I've already sterilized it, so I'm not gonna go through and sterilize it. Okay. So, here is a pruning cup that I did. You can see the bud right there. Okay.
Underneath it?
Yep, that's a bud scar right there.
All right, okay.
Okay. So, let's look for a bud scar up here. Okay, that's a thorn.
Is that, or is that?
I don't want to cut it lower, but
Everybody likes the They generally do really, really well, and this year,
there's one right there. Right there. So I'm gonna cut 1/4 of an inch above that. That off, okay?
And where's the bud?
It's right there. So let's find another
I
one.
can't
Let's
really
find
see
another
it.
one.
Can you-
Here's a bud scar here.
See the little brown
Okay.
spot? You can,
That's a thorn. See right there? See how it has like a little line there?
Okay,
There
the
will be a
lines,
bud there
okay.
somewhere. There will be a bud. See the line? There's a bud scar right there. See it?
Right above the line.
See that little?
Yes, I do.
And see this? There's a bud scar right there.
Yeah.
So let's go down to that one. Okay? Then, and what I do is I prune as much as I can off of that rose before I start defoliating. That way I can see. You know, I don't start taking all the leaves off and everything. I take as much of the branches off. Now, this one here's got to come off because
That's what I was wondering, you're gonna take it all the way down?
now,
It's not
every
even a rose.
rose is grafted, and this is where it's grafted right here.
Uh-huh.
So this is the old rose, and what they do is they graft onto a new. They take a new rose and they graft it onto a rootstock that's very hard.
and then again, if you explain, when you don't want it to grow towards the sidewalk, I have a terrible
So
time with that.
wherever the bud scar is,
Uh-huh.
say I take this off here, there's the bud scar, and I took it off there, that's where it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out right here,
Here's the bud scar there.
that one there,
That's gonna come this
right?
way.
And what you want with the roses is you want them to be more like a vase. You don't want anything growing down through the center. So this one, you could take the whole thing out, it's just such a healthy cane that I like it. You know, and leave it for maybe another year, you know, and see how it goes. This has gotta come off, so I take that off with my logger. That's dead growth.
Oh, you're
This
taking
is
out
dead
the old-
growth here. I just bought this today, so I'm just cleaning it up. But,
I've got roses that are like 4 and 5 feet high that I've been ignoring.
Mark,
How
they're-
far can I take them down?
they're not pruners, right? I mean, they're not
They're not
climbers.
climbers.
Take them down to 18 inches, a foot to 18 inches. I know
18
it's gonna be
inches.
hard, you know?
And
You gotta
just
have
look for
somebody
that
that
line
doesn't know
because
you.
there's not much green down there.